You guys doing? Hope everybody's well. Today I'll be showing you guys a new build for January 2018. I think is one of the best and I think you're gonna like it. Alright, so let's get to it. First thing first, we're gonna go to the system. We're gonna go to File Manager and we're gonna go to Add Source. Alright, we're gonna put in the source. The link will be in the description. It is http://archive.org/download/new_warlike-wizard. Alright, we're gonna hit OK. We're gonna give it a name. You can name it anything you want. I'm just gonna leave it as is. We're gonna hit OK. Alright, we're gonna go back one more time, and we're gonna go to add-ons, and we're gonna hit this little box, which is for the packages. Click on it, and we're gonna install from zip file. For security installation, add-ons from unknown sources is disabled. Yes, go to settings, and we're gonna enable this option, unknown sources. Turn it on and hit yes. Alright, now let's go back and we're gonna install from zip file, and we're gonna choose the one we just installed, which is this one right here. For me, it's new_warlike-wizard. It may be a different name for you. So click on it, and there's only one zip. We're gonna select this one, and we're gonna wait for it a little bit till it's done installing. Alright, now we just go back, and we're gonna go to Program Add-ons, and it's right there, the Warlike-Wizard. So let's click on it, and we can choose any build you want. Let's click on Wizard, Warlike-Wizard builds. Okay, and we're gonna choose a fresh install. You got two of them. We're gonna choose the first one, fresh install. Let's do it and wait. Alright, looks like it's done. We're gonna have to force close Kodi, and voila, nice background, looks pretty sick. Alright, so you got system, Warlike 2.0.1, Krypton, and you got movies. Just wait for the skin to be applied. It's built in the menu. So give it time, no rush. Okay, so we got movies over here, and there's a sub menu that you can search directly for movies. There are too many add-ons, well not add-ons but like tabs for movies and stuff. Nipton, Society Movies, Bob Unleashed, Pyramids Movies, Maverick, Spins, Super box. There are a lot of categories and tabs just for movies. Okay, and then you can go down and choose whatever movie you want and enjoy. Alright, we got TV shows, network, top rated, classic TV, crime TV, reality. I mean, this one gives you more options to choose from, which is really cool. And then we got the sports. Same thing. You just look up these tabs right here, and you can select whatever you want, or you can go directly down here and choose whatever you want to watch. And also there are kids and families. Same thing, tabs in the bottom, and documentary, live and on demand. You get music, man cave. This one's pretty new to me. I guess there are TV shows and yeah. Oh, for adults. Alright. Sports specials. YouTube. Favorites. And of course, your personal add-ons. And if you want to power off Kodi. And maintenance, of course. Alright. So yeah, this is it. I hope you like it. Hopefully it will work great for you. Any questions, please feel free to ask. I don't care what questions you want to ask, just ask. Don't worry about anything. I'm here to help and answer all of your questions. Please help me out, subscribe, share and like. I will appreciate that. Until the next video, have a good one.